Good morning. Good to have you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
What do you think about the message those executives delivered yesterday?
I think they're really focused on stablecoins and how they'll be regulated in the future going forward. And, on BitPay's platform, we support 5 different stablecoins for payments. So, and those are U.S. dollar denominated tokens.
How do you think right now, how are you thinking about the currency's use as a payment mechanism right now? Are we making some headway finally?
Absolutely. We support about 14 different currencies on our platform. This year to date, we've seen a 57% increase in payments. So that's huge for us over last year. Recently, we've seen a huge uptick in the use of stable coins. They're probably our fastest growing payment method on the platform. And then people are buying everything from luxury goods to electronics and boats and cars and real estate and everything you can think of.
Stephen, it's Morgan. Who are you partnered with? Where are a lot of these transactions happening in terms of businesses and partners? And how does it actually work where exchange rates are concerned?
So that's where our platform really shines. We figure out, we pull all the major exchanges and determine the exchange rate to whatever currency the merchant wants to accept. So we have companies like Newegg, who is a launch partner with Shiba that we've just announced today. But companies like PacSun, more recently Plecas, if you want to buy fractional ownership in a vacation home. So we really partner with those merchants and help them get the word out about their products and services to people that have cryptocurrency and want to pay that way.
You got AMC helping with the SHIB payment option. I mean, that's a name that you would expect. I guess I'm wondering, at what point do we start to get partners that maybe would take some people by surprise, or industry verticals that would take some people by surprise?
I think all these companies are exciting to us, and they surprise me. So I don't know. I think you're going to see pretty much most companies in both e-commerce and point of sale, in-person payments, start to adopt cryptocurrency payments. There will come a day when you walk into a restaurant and you expect that to be a payment option alongside MasterCard and Visa.
Stephen, there's so many coins out there. And I know you mentioned you've got 5 that are actively being transacted with on your platform as well. Stable coins getting a lot of focus right now, both in terms of a potential future use case on a more widespread basis where transactions are concerned, and also now increasingly from regulators. What does that look like? What is your outlook around what becomes most massively adopted in the future?
Well, I think all the top cryptocurrencies will be used, at least for payments. We've seen our biggest growth with the stablecoin, and there are a lot of benefits to transacting in dollar terms. You don't have the capital gains and losses that you have to track on every transaction, for example. And they're leveraging this new payment rail called a blockchain to make the transaction faster, cheaper, and to eliminate a lot of the fraud issues.
Yeah, some headlines out of Florida today looking at blockchain for Medicare. Interesting use cases continue to proliferate. Stephen, thanks so much. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.